Hey guys, Buddy Valastro here, and I got so many of you guys requesting for me to make an Oreo cake. Who doesn't love Oreos? Even the cake boss has got Oreos at his house, just saying. My kids love them, I love them, and I think that they just go so well with a cake. Well, I'm gonna soup it up Hoboken style. I'm gonna take it to another level. We make a cookies and cream or Oreo cake at our bakery, but this is just a little bit different version that I wanted to do for YouTube, and I wanted you guys to get inspired. So who's ready? Who wants to see me make an Oreo cake? Woo! First thing I'm going to do, start with a layer of chocolate cake. It's a beautiful chocolate cake. Not because it's mine, but it is pretty good. Okay, so we're going to put it on our board. Whenever you see me build a cake, I like to build it on a turntable. Makes it easy for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipe a little ring around the edge here of the Oreo cream. Then I'm going to get the chocolate ganache, because who doesn't like that? Okay. Put a little bit of ganache, because everything in life goes better with ganache. All right, so that's good. So I'm gonna put that, then I got some Oreos that I kind of medium pulverized, and I'm gonna put in there because I wanna get a nice crunchy texture in there when I get in there. Oh yeah, who's your Oreo daddy? Me, that's who. All right, so now we got that in there, and we're gonna put another layer. Nicey nice. We're gonna go the same thing. Boom. And I'm gonna go a little bit of the ganache. And I'm just gonna kind of use my turntable to spread it out, fill it up. Oh man, does that look good? Oh, ganache and Oreo. Some cookie crumbs. Don't be cheap with the Oreos, because everybody loves them. Especially in my house. I go home, I'm the cake boss, I own bakeries, and my kids eating Oreos. What the hell is this all about? I'm not a hater. You got a winner, it's a winner. So I'm gonna put that last layer on. Oh yeah, Oreos. I mean, a cake like this is hard to mess up. Think about it. I mean, you got Oreos, chocolate ganache, chocolate cake with a cookies and cream inspired buttercream. It's like friggin' phenomenal. Now it's time to ice this up with that cookies and cream icing. So again, all the cakes we kind of ice the same. We're just gonna go around, spread that icing. Okay. So we're gonna take our bow knife or spatula. My dad called it a bow knife, so that's what I call it. I don't know why, but that's growing up at the bakery. That's what we called it. That's what I know. You say tomato, I say tomato. That's kind of a funny thing with the old-fashioned bakers. Well, why do you mix it like that? Because that's how we do it. And that was the answer. Why do you call it a bow knife? I don't know, because that's what it is. It's a bow knife. So, it's a bow knife to me, growing up. That's what we call it. And that's what we do. Okay, nice smooth piece of cardboard here. You know my tricks, right? Okay, let's even it up. Oh man, this is like one of those cakes that when I'm done with it, you guys are gonna want to dive in and eat it up. So good. Cut it across the top here. Oh man, perfectly smooth cake here. All right, how's that look? Smooth? All right, not bad. All right, so now that I got a nice smooth cake, I'm gonna add a little bit of melted chocolate ganache to it. This is how I made my ganache pencil growing up. Call these, Chad, in fancy world? Cornet. Chad calls them a cornet, kind of like me calling that a bow knife. Chad would call that a spatula. I call this a pencil. All right, so it's parchment paper rolled the same way, but Chad goes to fancy pastry school when it's a cornet. Me, bakery, I've made so many of these pencils, cornets in my life. I can do it blindfolded with one finger if I had to. So now, I feel like making a little pencil like this, I'm gonna have better control of it, all right? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna squeeze and drip, and I'm just going back and forth. Okay, then you can go back, and if you want to over drip, just add a little bit more to the line there. I'm not as worried about that because I'm going to do some borders on the bottom and you're not going to see that. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little loop-de-loop circle thing in the middle. And we're going to bring it in. Voila! And then I'm going to take my bag and I'm just going to do little rosettes. Then I'm going to add a rosette on the top, and then maybe we'll go a rosette there, a rosette there, a rosette there. And then I'm going to grab some Oreos. Oh. You like my Oreo cake, huh? I got these little, what do you call these, Chad? Chocolate straws too, to kind of fancy your game up here. Yeah. Just don't scream Oreo. I don't know who's gonna scream it. Boom! Oreo cake, baby! What I love about this cake, it's just simplistic. It's very, I gotta have a piece of it. It's very fun to do. I mean, with the chocolate ganache, with the Oreo crumbs inside, with the chocolate cake, this is gonna be a crowd pleaser. You wanna wow your guests? You wanna get the razzle dazzle? Well, you got it. This is what we're talking about. I'd buy this. What do you guys think it is? Let me know in the comments what you think it is. Tell me if I still got my stuff. Tell me if I'm out of date or out of style. I was doing the same drip technique with the little circle-y things. Jesus, like 1992. Didn't they say the 90s are back now? We didn't go nowhere, man. That's when I was rocking out. And we're still kicking it old school, and people are still loving it. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Buon viaggio.